means ABC.
Her ABC.
Her A.
Please make sure you say her ABC.
Yeah, so ABC. What's the meaning of ABC and where's the D, the following letters?
That will be the part 2.
Oh.
Well, ABC of my music, the choices of just this particular show, ABC means my chosen singers, composers. Kasi 1.5 to 2 hours lang naman this show, diba? So, ABC pala, which is the basic of what I love from other singers, from the people who have given me their compositions to record, my hits na ABC. Who composed a lot of my songs, yung I Think I'm in Love.
I love that.
Also, One More Try. Ano pa ba? Hello, marami pa. So, B naman, we're doing some Barbra Streisand songs. I've not sang a lot of Barbra Streisand songs recently, so that's my past. And so because it's my basic, that's the artist that I really looked up to when I was just starting. And then C, marami rin. Karaseco, Kayabyab, marami pa. Secret na. Gawa akong immoral na sasabihin ako. Meron akong pasabog kasi when I got pregnant, talaga nagpa-concert ako at sinabi ko, I'm pregnant, you know. Siyempre, na front page yata ako. Well, hindi naman pasabog, but I'm bringing someone who is a surprise guest. Masyado maganda. No, I hope when they do it, that they will, do justice to it. Because it's not for me, it's for them, and also for the composer. So, maganda naman yung mga naririnig ko. Kahit may dito pa rin, di ba, si Guy? Si Guy, dito ba? Parang somebody did dito ba?
Sharing Grace.
Sharing. Okay. Hindi ko pa naririnig yung iba. Pero like nila yun, yung maganda yung rendition ni Regine. Si Regine pa, hindi naman, she never fails, to amaze us.
Pati yung mga songs ko yung kalamitan na ginagamit din sa mga series and mga...
Yes. We have a new song that I recorded, which is yung I Love You, actually originally by Willie Revillame. Pero if you hear the original of Willie Revillame, I Love You, it's so far from what I did. Si nag-produce pa rin because he composed it for him. Si Benny Saturno. It's a beautiful song. Ang ganda ng lyrics.
Saan po siya ginamit mo?
Hindi pa. We're also doing a video. Mamaya we'll play it back. Anyway, at saka yung isa naman na in-offer sa akin, kontrabida. Ayoko na maging kontrabida. Mabait na ako eh.
Okay, so we're done.
To be successful in this career of yours. I'm actually very happy that you're part of the show. We've done so many shows together and he's always done a good job. And I've heard you, sing in Hacienda. Nagulat na kami kasi very talented. Ayan. And he has a lot of practice. Di ba you have a cafe or something, a bistro?
Yes, we used to have a lounge, a bistro where I would sing in front of the customers. Recently it's not, we gave it away. But it's still in operation. Yeah, and sometimes we business.
Okay. Alright, so I'm looking forward to our duets and your performances.
Let's ask for some closing remarks.
Julio Desma sings her ABC. Yes, that's the ABC of my music career. Anyway, maraming salamat. I'm very touched that you all came today. Salamat. Also met some of my ka-CCF first dito. Sana you all visit our church. The main church na napakaganda sa Tiendesitas malapit, no? Christ Commission Fellowship. Truly our main pastor, si Peter Tanchi. You can also Google him. Napakagaling pong Bible teacher. It's really time for us to start knowing the Bible. We're known as a Christian nation, pero hindi po, marami pong Pilipinong hindi nagpapasa. Sayang, sayang. Kasi sabi ko nga I always tell my friends and whoever I meet along the way na hindi nagpapasa, you're missing out. So much that, you know, the blessings that you're missing out from the Lord. So, maraming salamat once again. I pray that this will be very successful. Also for kay chef natin, so that talagang tuloy-tuloy na yung kanyang mga healing and pangangailangan niya. So, let's pray for our nation. Also, marami kaming naririnig na mga kaibigan sa industriya that have passed away. Si Manny Castañeda just, you know, left us. Floyd just a few months ago. Sino pa ba? Oh, yun, Dinky Do, si Christine Blando. Christine Blando was an amazing dancer. Ang dami po, parang ang bilis-bilis na mga nangyayari. So, gawa tayo ng effort na makilala ng ating mga kababayan, our peers, our friends. So, kayo na mag-initiate ng pag-imbita sa kanila for Bible studies. Marami pong ganyan sa CCM and they teach the right doctrine. Importante po, tama ang turo. So, God bless you all. God bless you.
To your right, please. To the right.
Direct, sama ka direct.
Wait lang po.
Sila na kami muna. Dito na lang kayo sa kabilang side.
Next one, next one. Closer, closer.
Direct, close lang. Kabila kayo.
Okay. Here naman. Here. Ganun pwede.
Our official hashtag is hashtag